In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide with Google using Cloudflare. This is a fundamental process that will help ensure your website runs smoothly, and it's particularly useful for managing your domain settings with ease. Let's get started. First, the journey begins by navigating over to Cloudflare. This is the hub where you'll manage your domain's security, performance, and reliability. If you're already familiar with Cloudflare, you know it's a crucial tool in optimizing your site's efficiency and protecting it from malicious threats. For newcomers, it's relatively easy to use, so don't worry. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Cloudflare's website. Once you land on the Cloudflare page, the next course of action is to locate your domain. This step is about ensuring you have access to the right domain settings. It's always important to double-check that you're in the right account and domain, especially if you manage multiple sites. You wouldn't want to make changes to a wrong account inadvertently, as this could cause interruptions for your site's visitors. After you're on your domain, the next move is somewhat advanced, but not to worry, I'll guide you through it. Scroll down your domain settings page gently until you encounter the section titled Advanced Actions. This is where you'll be able to make some significant adjustments when needed. It might seem overwhelming at first, but with a step-by-step approach, you'll find it manageable. Now, under the Advanced Actions menu, you will see an option to Pause Cloudflare. Click on that. Pausing Cloudflare is a useful action when you need to troubleshoot or make direct changes to your backend without interference. By doing so, you're momentarily bypassing the Cloudflare features, thus allowing you direct interaction with your server. It's important to note this process should only be done for a short period, and with caution, as it exposes your origin server to direct traffic, meaning it won't benefit from the added protection and features Cloudflare offers during this pause. Finally, once you've completed your necessary changes, unpause Cloudflare to ensure your site is again benefiting from the protection, speed, and optimizations that Cloudflare provides. This way, you return your site back to its optimum function, while keeping it protected from threats. Remember, pausing and unpausing is useful for quick changes, but always ensure to re-enable Cloudflare to maintain safeguarding and performance features. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully navigated through the process of managing Cloudflare settings for your domain using Google Guide references. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your website settings and ensure everything runs just as it should. If you ever find yourself needing to edit or make adjustments, this method will help streamline the process and keep your website running efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.